Hey, there's something happening with new construction that you need to be aware of, especially if you're targeting builders as a part of your strategy going into the new year. What's happening with building and new construction is that 38.5% of the new construction sales are happening based on the floor plan. In other words, people are not buying a home they can walk into, they're buying the home off the plans. They're buying a home based on what they believe to be built. And this is a complete difference than where we were a year ago at the same time. A year ago at the same time, we were 10 points less than that. But because inventory has become more constricted, there's less to see, buyers are taking that risk, they're taking that gamble, and they're saying, I am so desperate to buy a house, I'm going to buy it just based on the plans. 38.5% of new construction sold just off the plans, which leads me to an opportunity for all of you watching that are focused on maybe targeting new construction and builders. What if you approached builders in your market and you said, hey, I got some new statistics that'll blow your mind, and you tell them what I just told you. 38.5% of new construction sales across the country are being done based on a sale, based on the floor plans. We're selling the floor plans of a home. Do you have any lots in your inventory that you're not doing anything with right now, that you're not marketing right now? Because we could put a sign in that lawn, we could attach a floor plan to it, I could start marketing it in the MLS and bring you a pre-built, a pre-sale on a new construction before you've ever put a stick in the ground, before you've even started permitting, before you've done anything. I can get you a pre-sold on that property. Why wouldn't you do that? It's just dead money having those lots sit there. Let me market them. Let's get them sold for you, and let's get you another job so you can turn your money and move it into some more investments. When you use that script, that language, it will unlock opportunities, because some builders out there do have inventory they're sitting on, and there's no upside for them to sit on inventory long term. They want to turn that money, and why wouldn't they allow you to market that property? Remember, there's no downside for them. If you don't sell it, they don't owe you anything. All the work, all the burden becomes on you to get that property sold. But in our current market, looking at those numbers, you have a real shot at doing it. So, little tip for you today, go out there and implement that strategy. If you want more strategies like this and you want to really go out and grow your business, check out the Path Performance Coaching Platform. It's 16 weeks of diving into lead generation, really developing your business at a huge level. And then we give you 3 live coaching sessions a week where we give you tons of ideas, tons of concepts to really get out there and create massive success in your business. If you'd like to explore it, sign up. We'll get you onto a discovery call, and we can walk you through the plan and see if it's something that's right for you. Have a great day. Good selling. We'll see you next time over eRealEstateCoach.com.